How to sign up KuCoin account. So here is a step-by-step guide to sign up for a KuCoin account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then navigate to the KuCoin's official website, or you can simply type down kucoin.com. In there, you will get to see sign up button available. All you have to do is tap on it and create your account. Now, choose whether you want to register with email or phone number. If you want to register with email, start typing down your email and tap on the continue with email address or continue with creating account option available there. Then a verification code will be sent to your device. Then all you have to do is enter the verification code and create your password. Make sure to create a strong password and agree to the terms. After that, you will be able to create your account successfully. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.